Hello! This is a quick demo of TalkNow from EuroTalk. There are lots of languages in the TalkNow range. We're just going to look at the French version for now. This is the TalkNow menu. We have a choice of 9 topics we can learn, plus a quiz section that you can go to for a recap once you've completed these topics. By the way, if English isn't your first language, you can always change your help language by clicking on the flag. So if you're from Kyrgyzstan, you can click on the Kyrgyzstan flag and learn from Kyrgyz.
Une plage. Toilette homme.
Let's stay in English, and I'm going to go to the food section. On this menu, we have a choice of word practice, speaking practice, 4 levels of games, and a print page. Now, if you don't know any French at all, you might want to start with word practice. This is a list of the vocabulary in this section, represented by pictures.
Un oignon.
And we can hear both a male and a female native speaker saying the word.
Un oignon.
Un oignon.
Now, the best way to actually start learning the language is to play a game. It's very simple. We'll hear a set of 4 words or phrases, then we'll be prompted to pick one out.
Le cou, la jambe, le bras, le pied,
Le pied.
le pied,
Oui.
In this game, we're picking out the pieces to build a Frankenstein's monster, and we can see him gradually coming together.
le doigt,
But I'll leave the finishing touches to you. And let's see the next level up. This is Easy Plus. The theory is the same, but here the game will get gradually trickier as each round you see more cards to pick from.
Un avion.
une carte de crédit,
Un avion.
Now we want to keep users motivated and give them some goals to achieve,
bonjour,
and that's where the scoring system comes in.
une plage,
Every time we get a question right, the score goes up. If we get one wrong, it goes down.
bonjour,
Oui.
The important thing to note here is that you don't need to be getting everything perfectly right first time. As you play, you'll hear the language,
Merci.
get used to the sounds, and learn without
Où sont les
realizing.
valises?
So now we've heard some French and we're getting used to the sounds. We can also have a go at speaking the language. I'm going to hit 4 here to record 4 phrases. Now we've got a choice of green or red button. Green will let us hear the French first. Red, we've got to record the right answer with no clues. So let's try the easy version.
Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
TalkNow lets you compare yourself to the native speaker, so listen for the differences and pick them out.
Combien ça coûte?
Combien ça coûte?
Now I'm going to show you the hard game for colours. And the difference here is that we get no clues. We have to pick out the correct colour from the whole palette. And the balloons are painted the colour you picked. Some of the games in TalkNow change depending on the subject. So just as you can make a monster in the body section, in the shopping game you put what you buy into a shopping cart. In the time section you collect alarm clocks.
6 heures,
Oui.
And in other quizzes you'll pick the correct answer out of a collage.
Oui.
Now, how is this helping us learn French? All we seem to be doing is playing games. Well, that's true, but it doesn't mean we're not learning anything. If you've ever tried to learn a list of words straight off a page, you'll know how hard and how dull that process can be. TalkNow uses these quiz elements to keep you interested, and that means you'll actually remember what you're learning. Every game we play adds into our overall score. So this is our current score, and if we get 900 points, we'll get our bronze award. As we score more points, we'll get closer and closer to the coveted gold award. And once you've scored maximum points, you'll be confident in the basics of French. But just in case you need a backup, we've also included the option to print each section, so you've always got something to fall back on. TalkNow is essentially a nice, easy introduction to a new language for absolutely anyone at any age, so have fun! We hope you enjoy using it.